If you don't prefer end-to-end encryption when you send or receive messages in Messenger, you can always choose to disable those, and I'll show you exactly how to do it whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. So let's open up the Messenger app, again on iPhone or Android, and from here, tap on the menu button at the bottom right, and then tap on the settings at the top. Within here, let's scroll down until you find the option that says privacy and safety, which will allow us to disable the Messenger end-to-end encryption. From here, scroll down and choose end-to-end encrypted chats. And on here, you can see a number of different things about what people can see in messages. But to turn it off, tap on message storage. And on here, you won't see an option that just says disable end-to-end encryption. Unfortunately, Facebook does not provide a straightforward way to do this, but you can choose to just turn off the key and reset your PIN if you wanted to reset it. After you've done that, you can always go to more options and turn off auto sync that chat history if you don't want it to be synced with your iCloud. And then you can also go back and turn off automatic uploads. It says with automatic uploads, messages are uploaded remotely without turning on secure storage. So you can turn off and delete all of these. However, unfortunately, within Messenger, the end-to-end encryption is still built in. You can see new messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. So there are some options to be able to disable it or limit end-to-end encryption, but you won't be able to fully basically opt out of it. You can always just send them a message in WhatsApp, or you can also send them a message in the Messages app on your iPhone. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.